If you have been having recurrent yeast infection, it is probably because you have not been using the right medication that is meant for that yeast infection. Mind you, yeast infection have different strains, and when you're using medication that deals with just one strain, then the yeast infection will still remain there, and that is why you keep treating and it doesn't go. So before we move into the right medication you're supposed to use, let me first start by explaining to you what is yeast infection. Yeast infection is an infection that is caused by candida cells. And when these candida cells build up in your body, they cause an infection. They cause discomfort in your body. And one of the ways you will know you have yeast infection is when you're always experiencing white thick discharge from your vagina, which doesn't smell, but sometimes it itches you around your vagina. Then you should know you have yeast infection. And sometimes you might be having sex and you'll be experiencing severe pain while the man is going in and coming out. Then you are probably having yeast infection. And as a man, you might also be experiencing some kind of rashes around your penile area. Then you are having yeast infection as a man. You might also be experiencing a kind of, recurrent itchy around your penile area, and you'll be wondering what's the cause. All this is caused by yeast infection. So if you wish to know more about yeast infection and the right medications you can use to treat this kind of infection, do well to visit my YouTube channel. I have been able to set up a comprehensive video on what causes yeast infection, the right medications you're supposed to use for yeast infection so that you can have a solution to your problem. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time.